The Unnoticed Entrepreneur podcast is sponsored by Prowly, the all-in-one tool for PR experts.
Today we're going to meet Cahill Camden, who is part-time fractional CMO. He's the founder of a company called Digital Vision. He's just launched a new product called Press Jockey, which sounds very interesting. So perhaps you could tell us, Cahill, what would be some of the strategies that you use to get those two companies noticed?
So one of the things that we always start with is really trying to understand how are you going to differentiate yourself from the rest of the market? You know, everyone is always going to say, hey, we're faster, we're cheaper, we're better. And what a lot of people don't talk about, I think, is the why. So why are you doing what you're doing? That is something that Simon Sinek, as some of your listeners might have heard, I think he's got the number 1 or number 2 TED Talk in the world. He's talked about this for close to, I guess, around a decade. So we look at that in terms of the story. And we also look at how any brand can own their quote unquote weakness in the market.
Now, this is just a 2-minute trailer for a full 20-minute show. The show will be dropping into your feed in the next day or so. So do look out for it and do enjoy it, share it, and review it. Thanks for listening to this trailer of The Unnoticed Entrepreneur. Now, I'd just like to mention our sponsor for this show. The Unnoticed Entrepreneur podcast is sponsored by a company called Prowly. Prowly is an all-in-one software for leveraging your public relations activities. You can boost the media relations game for your business, find media contacts, send out press releases, and get more coverage while saving time and money on everyday tasks. Check it out, prowly.com.